We just came from Vietnam at i-share namin sa inyo yung mga nakita namin ng mga local wooden puzzles na nakakatuwa. Kaya kumuha kami, no? So first one, this is the pagong, diba? Turtle. And as you can see, it's made of wood. I think it's handmade and it's maganda siya tingnan and display. It's a 3D puzzle. Ibig sabihin nun, bubuuin mo rin siya. Pero yung pieces niya, instead of flat na parang jigsaw, buo siya eh. I mean, 3D siya eh. So, parang pag nabuo mo na yung puzzles na to, magfo-form na siya ng creature. No? So, ito yung mga parts niya. Ayan. So, aside from the turtle, we have the elephant. Ayan siya. And we also have, ano ba to? Dragon ba to? Anong creature ba yan? At ito, yung best friend mong alligator or crocodile. No? Kung anong creature man dyan. Tapos, aside from these mga animals na to, meron rin akong nakitang somewhat a brain teaser, no? Pero ito, figure out namin kung paano. So, you have a platform here at ang objective mo, kailangan mapagkasya mo tong triangle na to somewhere here, pagkasyahin mo. So, you can see the spaces in between. So, we have to rearrange these pieces and hopefully, mapasok natin to. So, pag na-figure out namin to, i-share namin sa inyo, okay? Yun lang.